Psalm 82 is a loving reminder that God is the true and just judge over all. It calls attention to his heart for fairness, compassion, and the protection of those who are weak or overlooked. The psalm gently urges those with authority to act with righteousness, reflecting God's own character. In the end, it points us back to the hope that God Himself will bring justice and restore what is broken. This psalm reassures us that God sees every situation with wisdom and care, and that His desire is always for truth, mercy, and the well being of all. Psalm 82. God stands in the congregation of the mighty. He judges among the gods. How long will you judge unjustly and show partiality to the wicked? Defend the poor and fatherless. Do justice to the afflicted and needy. Deliver the poor and needy. Free them from the hand of the wicked. They do not know, nor do they understand. They walk about in darkness. All the foundations of the earth are unstable. I said, "You are gods, and all of you are children of the Most High, but you shall die like men and fall like one of the princes." Arise, O God, judge the earth, for you shall inherit all nations.